Here is how to unblock or unban Dream League Soccer on any mobile device if you get blocked and can't play your current account. You need to watch this video to unlock your DLS account. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, you need to open a browser, type Dream League Soccer support. Tap First Touch Games. This is the official website for Dream League Soccer. Tap the three-dot line, tap Support, tap Submit a request. To unban or unblock your account, fill this up. First, you need to enter your valid email address where you can send your message. Tap Issues type, choose Data to Lose and Recovery, tap Game, choose DSL, tap Platform, choose your current device. Now add the disk creation, tell them about your problem in details. If you make a mistake and use an unauthorized version, tell them you will not violate any rules and that you uninstall the unauthorized DLS. Just tell them politely. Enter your user ID or device ID. Enter your device model. Also, if you have any files that you want to detach, you add them from here. After doing this, if they consider they will solve your problem, now if you have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.